Okay, so in this video I'm going to be doing a review of the Torque T26 and show you a little bit of towing. The Torque T26 by Heartland has a gross vehicle weight rating of 12,800 pounds, and the cargo capacity should never go over 5,096 pounds. MPG with the toy hauler is 10.1. The 2500 Silverado tows it like it's nothing. Can't even tell it's back there. I also have the Chevy branded backup camera and that see-through mode. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the camera setup while we're actually towing. So if you would, my lovely assistant. There's the see-through trailer. Got the camera on the back, and I got the two side views going. Hit it one more time. That's without the see-through, and one more. There's the camera. Cool thing is too, you can leave it like this while you're driving. Most of the other views you can only keep on for a few seconds, so it's not a distraction. Okay, so here we are inside the Torque T26 toy hauler by Heartland. Literally months later. It's storming outside now. Anyway, so here's the kitchen area. It comes with everything you might expect. Refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop, microwave. It's got the TV and Furrion. Got speakers outside and inside. Some accent lighting on top. Ceiling fan. Obviously that turns into a bed. So we're using it for storage also. So there's a lot of camping equipment underneath. 2 recliners. Plenty of storage around. That bed comes down. And I just have enough room to get my Honda Talon 4-seater in here. So moving into the bathroom. And the master bedroom. Still kind of a mess in here. Plenty of lighting. Storage. Wall charger access and all that stuff. The bed flips up and there's more storage. There is also a generator control in the master bedroom. We also got a some solar panels and an inverter set up. So there's our inverter controller. So right now we're running just off battery, even though it's getting kind of low. And we are able to use the microwave and the very, very most important coffee machine, where the kids can watch a movie when the night's winding down. Here are all the hookups, pretty standard stuff. Onboard fuel station. And it's obviously a toy hauler. There's the backup camera.